smoke cigarettes, man, no regrets. Wish I could relive every single word. We've taken different paths and traveled different roads. I know we'll always end up on the same one when we're old. And when you're in the trenches and you're under fire, I will cover you. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the
You're not a bad person. You're a very good person. And bad things have happened to you. You understand?
I give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother. Oh, brother, we go deeper than the ink beneath the skin of our tattoos.
I'm scared.
I know. But you're gonna be alright. You're not gonna fall in. We're gonna have a little fun instead. I promise. You're gonna be fine. You have to believe in me.
5 years, 20 years, come back, we'll always be the same. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'll give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother. I've got you.